How to get life insurance in USA. Best life insurance companies. Prudential is our best overall life insurance company by Holly Johnson. A life insurance policy is a contract between an insurance company and a policyholder in which the policyholder pays regular premium and in exchange the insurance pays a death benefit to the policy beneficiary when the insured dies. The best life insurance companies can help you secure enough coverage to replace your income, settle debts, or cover expenses your family will face, like paying in for your children education or caring for aging parents. Prudential was chosen as the best life insurance company overall based on the company history dating back to 1873, the broad selection of policies available and excellent rating for financial strength. Get an instant quote for term life insurance online. Excellent rating for financial strength. Multiple riders can be added to your policy. No online quote for permanent life insurance coverage. Prudential financial dates back to 1873, which boards will for its reliability. The Prudential Insurance Company of America also boasts an A plus rating with AM Best as well as an A minor rating with Standard and Poor in item of its financial strength. Prudential offers term life insurance coverage, universal life insurance, indexed universal life insurance, and variable universal life insurance, and you can add riders to your policy that include an accidental death benefit, a living needs benefit, and a children protections rider. Prudential does let you apply for an instant online quote for term life insurance. To learn more about life insurance from Prudential, have a look at our full review. We choose State Farm as the best company for instant issue policies based on the fact you can apply online and get term life coverage without a medical exam or any hoops to jump through. State Farm excellent rating and long history also help it gain a spot in our ranking. State Farm extends some term policies without a medical exam, free quotes for term life insurance coverage online, excellent rating for financial strength and customer satisfaction. No life insurance offered in Massachusetts. State Farm is another insurance company with a long and storied history, founded in 1922 by a retired farmer. State Farm has grown from humble beginnings to offer a broad range of insurance products today. At the moment, State Farm comes in at number 39 on the Fortune 500 list of largest companies. This company also boasts an A++ rating for financial strength from AM Best, which is the highest rating possible. Also, the also note that State Farm secured the highest ranking in the JD Power 2020 US Life Insurance Study, which compared the experiences of a life insurance and annuity customer nationwide. When it comes to the life insurance products it offers, State Farm lets consumer purchase term life insurance coverage, whole life insurance, and universal life insurance. State Farm also make it easy to enter your information and get a free quit line for term life. State Farm extend instant answer term life insurance coverage you can apply for online, and these policies can be purchased with no medical exam. You do have to answer health question in your application. However, how much does life insurance with State Farm cost? Request a quote online or spoke to an agent to find out. Transamerica offers very affordable term life insurance coverage and has a long history of financial strength and reliability, which helps the company stand out as the best value in life insurance in our review. Premium for term life insurance represent its significant value. Strong rating for financial strength.